Good morning, students. So today I'm going to give you the solution of worksheet mental math and reasoning. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is, in a certain code, teacher is written as, in a certain code, teacher is written as REHCAET, then what is the code of cricket? Okay, so teacher is written as REHCAET, then what is the code of cricket? So what is the rule here? So you see, teacher is written as REHCAET. How? Now if you look at the pattern very carefully, all the alphabets are written in reverse order. Here teacher, and here you see REHCAET. That means first R, then E, then H, then C, then A, then E, then T. So the pattern is here teacher, and here you have to write from the back side. Now similarly, what is the code of cricket? So again this one is cricket, CRICKET. Then what is the rule? You have to write down from the back side. So T first, then E, then K, then C, then I, then R, and then C. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So what is the rule? First you have to understand the pattern. This pattern is, you have to write from the back side. So if you write from the back side, the cricket code will be this, TEKCIRC. The next question, if E equals to 5, pen equals to 35, then page equals to. You have to write down the number for page. So all of you know, A means 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, like this way up to Z, we have 26. Now E equals to 5. Okay, like A, B, C, D, E, so 5. P 16, E 5, and N 14. So if you add, you will get 35. This one 35. Similarly for page, P 16, A 1, G 7, and E 5. If you add this, 16 plus 1 17 plus 7 24 plus 5 29. So your answer is 29. Next one, find the missing number. Find the missing number. So the number is 1, 4, 10, 22, 46 and dash. Now again here you have to find out the pattern. Now you can see the pattern here, 1, 4. That means what is the difference? Plus 3. If you add plus 3 with 1, you get 4. Then 4, 6. What is the difference? Plus 6. That is 4 plus 6, 10. Then 10 plus 12 is 22. Now how you are getting? First one, 3. Now 3 2s are 6. Because then 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 2s are 12. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 12 2s are 24. So that's why 22 plus 24, 46. Now what will be the answer? 24 into 2, 48. So 46 plus 48, you have 94. Okay. The next one, what is the product? What is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? What is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? So this one you have to give the answer in the comment box. Okay, you give the answer in the comment box. Instead of telephone, you can find out the numbers in your mobile phone also. You have seen the dial pad, all the numbers are written. You multiply all the numbers and tell me the answer. Okay, in the comment box. So this one is for you. The next one is again, find the missing number. So here 6, 5, 6, these numbers are written over here. So what is the rule here? Now you see 6, 5, 4, you are getting 120. So what is the rule? If you multiply 6 into 5 into 4, I have written here, you will get 120. 6 into 7 into 3, you will get 126. Now what is the last one? The last one I am doing for you. So 8 into 5, so here what you will write down? 8 into 5 into, so 8 5s are 40, and 40 into how much is 320? 40 into 8 equals to 320. So what is your answer? Your answer is 8. So here write 8. Okay. So what is the rule here? The rule is you have to multiply these numbers. So 5 is the 40, 40 is the 320. Now again number 6, find the missing number. So these are the numbers 1, 3, 9, 27 and dash. Now what is the rule here? It's a multiple of 3. So 1, if you multiply 3, you will get 3. 1 3 is a 3. Now again 3 into 3, 9. Then again 9 into 3, 27. So your final answer will be 27 into 3, 81. So your missing number is 81. Now the last question is very interesting one. So let's first read the question. In a joint family, there are father and mother and 3 married sons and 1 unmarried daughter. So how many female members are there? You have to find out the female members. How many female members are there? So through this diagram, I want to give you the answer. What is the diagram I have drawn? Father and mother. Okay. Now they have 3 married sons. Okay. Now 3 married sons means they have 3 wives. Up to this clear? Once again, father and mother, they have 3 married sons. So 3 married sons, they have 3 wives. And here it is given 1 unmarried daughter plus 1 unmarried daughter. Now how many female members are here? I have given circle, mother, female, 3 wives, they are female, and 1 unmarried daughter, she is the female. So total 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is there are 5 female members. Okay. So through this diagram is actually useful for you. If you draw this diagram, it will be easier for you. So mother, 3 wives, and here 1 unmarried daughter, total 5 female members. Okay. So this is the solution of the worksheet. And one more thing, this will be uploaded on the school website on Saturday. And along with this, I will upload one worksheet on Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Okay. I will upload one worksheet on Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factor on Saturday. So download the PDF file and try to solve it. And afterwards, I will give the solution. Clear to all of you? Thank you all.